Okay, I went to the font and downloaded the I Love Glitter, which has these cool little hearts and loop-de-loos and things. And then there is also, you can go here to learn more about how to use it. So I downloaded that to my computer, and then I went in here. Let's show you the folder. And after I unzipped it, I was able to go in here. I could click on, oops, I could click on one of these, and then I can hit this install up here. I'm not going to do it because I've already installed it. And it'll say you've already done that. So that's how you get it to show up. Then you're going to have to close down Cricut Design Space and reopen it. And now when you go to type text, it should show up in here. So to get the little hearts with the swirlies, you do an underscore. And I'm just going to type in love. And let's do it all lowercase. And then another little, this could be great for Valentine's Day or anniversary cards. If you don't see it come up right away, when you go to your filter, type in, I started to type in glitter, and that came right up. Okay, so now I can click on this and use my letter spacing to bring my letters closer together. And what I'm trying to do is get them to touch, because I want to connect them and join them all together. And actually, that's looking pretty good. So now, if I click on that, I can click weld, and now this word love is all one piece.